I hope you're having a great day. So I pulled my lines and set them off to the side. I dropped my fence down, and my dad and one of his friends are gonna come out and make a furrow down the middle of that so that I can plant my tulip bulbs. Yay! And I have been looking at all of my seeds, and I remembered there are a lot of seeds I want to plant this fall. So I do have to do some cleanup in order to plant seeds. I forgot about that part. So I think like in the delphinium row, I'm going to probably do a lot of cleanup over there because I have some delphinium and some larkspur that I'm going to pop seeds in all of the holes. And then we'll just see from there. But I think they're going to be out shortly. I probably won't get that part videoed. They don't really like to be videoed, so we'll get that done. And then hopefully I can get it videoed when I'm putting the tulips in and show you which ones I'm doing. And I just realized I will need to water in my tulips, so I think I'm gonna get my hose and move over there just to get it ready so that when the bulbs are in, I can water them all in. Okay, I'm just gonna run down real quick what I should have, what I ordered. So I got the Angelique, which is a pink with white, Baja Luca, which is yellow with red, Best Yellow, all yellow, Big Apricot, Big Eartha, shades of pink and rose, Blushing Lady, yellow with rose, the Maryland, white with red, Seaview Play, pink, mauve, and purple, Wellspring, multicolored, Topsy Turvy, white with yellow and apricot, Best Purple is purple, Beyond Baroque, pink, purple, and burgundy, Best Pink, it looks like I ordered that twice. It's just a pink one. Carnival, pink, yellow, and orange. Chiquita Bordeaux, yellow and purple. Cretaceous, yellow with red. Gemini 2, pink and white with purple. Gentle Giants, pink, peach, and apricot. And Imagination, pink, white, yellow, and red. And so far, just so you know, I've been very happy with these color blends. They ship my tulips on time. I haven't gone through to see if I got everything I ordered, but the tulips look really good. I'd had a bunch of rotten ones with my last company I went through, and so far these guys are knocking it out of the park. So that's exciting. So I do think while I'm waiting, I am gonna go ahead and cut these, make the tag, mark it off, and pull them and put the tag with them and put them in my little Gorilla cart. It's just, I think that would make it a lot faster. So I'm gonna start doing that while I'm waiting. Well, I had every single thing in here that they invoiced me for, which was a nice surprise compared to what happened last year. I will have to go back and see the original order I sent them because this was the order that they invoiced me for and that I paid for, and I can see all the calculations. So I did get everything I paid for, and I will review to see if I got everything I ordered or not, but I have to do that when I'm at home. I'm assuming I did, because I don't see any like back order or anything like that, or so we'll just see. But I also have 25 topsy-turvy daffodils that I had forgotten I ordered. So I do need to think of a place to put these daffodils. Oops. They also send you a really nice little booklet. So I was reading through it, and check this out. It actually says, note, don't worry too much about what end is up on the bulb. Bulbs notice and shoots up and roots down. They will grow and bloom even if you plant them upside down. So, does this mean you can just put them in and you don't have to like position each one up? Because if that's the case, that's awesome. Because that would save a lot of time. You just go throw them out, even them out, and be done with it. Wonder if I should just try that. I mean, these are the bulb supplier, and they told you that. They couldn't tell you that if they were wrong about it. That's exciting. All right. There are my 2,000 tulip bulbs. My little lupine seeds are coming up early. Shoot. Didn't want them to come up quite yet. Not all of them are coming up. There's just a few, so I don't know how they'll do next year. I guess we'll find out. Some of them, there's just a lot of weeds, so maybe they won't be able to come up. But some of them are coming up through the weeds. I think they'll come up faster. I hope they're all right, though. I'm planning on them actually, like, popping up. Hopefully they come back next year when I want them to bloom. So while I'm waiting, I'm going to go ahead. I have 3 of these blue sea holly, and I am just going to pull out the dead zinnias and put 3 more sea holly with the other sea hollies right here. Okay, I got those 3 sea hollies in, and there's 4 others right here with a few things that just popped up on this one. Okay, so I got the rest of the house all cleaned up today, and the tulips are gonna have to be another day. We had some technical difficulties with the tiller, so we'll get that figured out, and then hopefully we'll get these bulbs in the ground. And we did hook back up the deer fence for the remaining lisianthus and snapdragons, and I don't think it's gonna freeze tonight, so I think I can leave my hoses out. So I think we're good. It's fine, the tulips can just sit here, and it's okay if they have some air, and they'll be in the nice house at the right temperature. So we're good to go. Maybe tomorrow or maybe sometime next week, we will get these in the ground. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day.